What's going on, guys? Tyler here. Welcome back to another video in this video series of building a website from the ground up. In today's video, we're talking about setting up Elementor and how to get started with the Elementor drag and drop page builder. Now, this video is actually part of a video series of building a website from the very ground all the way up to a final finished website. So if you're interested in following along in this playlist, in this tutorial series, you can check out that link down below in the description. And guys, I always recommend Elementor Pro because it really is a phenomenal plugin. It has so many added features that the Elementor free version does not. And the best time to upgrade is definitely right now at this step in this video series where we're actually getting started with Elementor. Upgrading at this point will help you get off on the right foot in designing your website because you'll have access to all of the pro features. And some of the things like the theme builder and building out a custom header and footer, those are premium or pro user only features and definitely features that you're gonna wanna have in your website. So I highly recommend you upgrade now. I do have a link down below in the description. So check out, see what kind of price you can get for Elementor Pro. Definitely consider it before you go any further because this really is a big step in building out your website. All right, guys, if you got your hands on Elementor Pro and you're ready to jump in, let's go ahead and get started. If you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure and smash that nice red looking subscribe button. If you haven't already, be notified of upcoming videos just like this one. All right, guys, let's go to my computer and start with Elementor. All right, guys, we're here in the back end of my WordPress website in the same website that we've been using to build out this tutorial series. In the previous episode of this tutorial series, you noticed that we installed Elementor. So we actually already have it installed, but I'm just going to do a very quick recap of how to actually install it if you've never installed it before. You're going to hover over plugins once you're logged into your WordPress website and go over to add new. Then right up here at the top, you'll just simply search Elementor. Once you're here, you'll find this little blue button that says install right here. And then once it's installed, this button will change over to an activate button and you'll go ahead and click activate. Once we're at that point, we have Elementor installed and it's running now on our website. And don't worry if you have Elementor Pro, we're gonna go ahead and install the Elementor Pro plugin near the end of this video. But for right now, we just need the basic Elementor plugin. Now, while we're in the middle of installing things, let's go ahead and add in the Elementor theme. Now, over here on the left, we have appearances. We hover over that and click on themes. Now, you can see here, we just have the basic WordPress themes. I haven't gone ahead and added any other themes, but we will want to add the Hello by Elementor theme. So to do that, we'll just go ahead and click this add new button. We'll go ahead and search themes over here and just type in hello. And there it is right there, Hello Elementor. Now, why do you actually want this theme? This theme is actually made by Elementor and it's set up to handle any kind of Elementor designs that you go ahead and put onto your site. It's an extremely lightweight theme. It is basically a blank canvas for Elementor to go ahead and do its thing on the website. So let's go ahead and hit this install button. We'll go ahead and click the activate button. And there we go. Our theme is now live on our website. All right, now let's talk about Elementor Pro. If you've gone ahead and upgraded to Elementor Pro, which I highly suggest, especially right now where you're at in designing your website, go ahead and upgrade to Elementor Pro from that link down below in the description, and then you'll go ahead and log into your Elementor account on elementor.com. Once you're logged into the Elementor account, you'll go over here and under subscriptions here on the left, you can actually access your Elementor subscription right here. Now you can see it explains what subscription you're on, and over here on the right side, you can see if this subscription is active or inactive, and then you can view any kind of billing details as well right from here. But what we're gonna do is go ahead and click this download zip. Now let's go ahead and download the zip right here and we'll click that, and a zip folder or a compressed folder will begin downloading right here on your web browser. Then we're gonna head back over to WordPress and we're gonna go over to plugins and we're gonna hit add new. Now instead of searching for a plugin right over here, we're actually gonna go ahead and click this upload plugin and we're gonna go ahead and choose our file, and the file is going to be this exact zip folder that we just downloaded from Elementor's website. So I'm just simply gonna drag it right in here and go ahead and hit install, and there we go, the plugin was installed successfully. So now that it's installed, I'm going to go ahead and just click activate plugin, and now on this page right over here, which we get to just by clicking these plugins over here, we can see all of our installed plugins. We'll go ahead and click connect and activate. Now, I'm already logged into my Elementor profile, but if you are not logged into your Elementor profile in the same browser that you're working on your WordPress website, it may ask you to log in with your Elementor profile. But like I said, because I'm going to go ahead and either elect to be a super contributor or not. That basically just shares non-sensitive data with Elementor. And then we'll go ahead and click this green activate button. And now it brings us to this page here back on our WordPress website, and you can see the license status is now active. And we are good to go. We have a fully functioning Elementor and Elementor Pro installed on our WordPress website. All right, guys, and that is it for this video. In the next video, we'll be talking about how to use the Elementor backend designer. Now, if you want to continue on with us and learn all about the Elementor designer, just simply go down to the description down below and click on that playlist link to continue on in this video tutorial series. And guys, like I said, I always recommend Elementor Pro to my friends, but more so right now at this point in where you're at designing your website. I highly recommend before you get started, you upgrade to Elementor Pro, and you can check out that link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. I think you'll be kind of surprised. Drag and drop page builders can be very expensive, and Elementor, just to build it out on your one site, is very, very reasonably priced. So I highly recommend it, and it just has some awesome features that we're going to go over here in some future videos. So definitely check out that link and see what kind of price you can get for it. And that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure and smash that nice red looking subscribe button if you haven't already. Join the family and be notified of upcoming videos just like this one.